Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of the AirCube series. Today we're mixing up nutrients for the next phase. I originally intended to use 20 gallons of water here, but the nutrient mix was too strong. So I just bumped it up 5 gallons. I let that be a lesson, but guys, don't throw your water away if that happens to you. You can always use it on more mature plants or just add more water to it. I haven't had this dry erase board out since I've started growing, but it's going to really help with this hydro grow. So guys, I'm starting with calcium magnesium. I have 60 milliliters here for the 25 gallons. I'm going to mix it in nice and slow, let it sit a few minutes, and we'll go to our next step. And now we're mixing Flora Micro, adding 60 milliliters. Again, I'm going to add this in nice and slow. We're going to do a mix, let it sit for a couple of minutes. The next is Flora Grow. We're going to add 40 milliliters of this. And again, we're going to mix it up and let it sit a couple of minutes before we add our next. Finally, our Flora Bloom. Now we're only going to add 20 milliliters to it. Same thing, mix it up, let it sit a couple of minutes, and then we'll go ahead and check our ppm, or in this case, EC. But same thing, ppm. If you're using the ppm, you want to be on the 500 scale. We're shooting somewhere between 0.8 and 0.9. And you can see here we're right on the money, guys. And then I'll show you the ppm is roughly around 450. Again, perfect for, this early vegetative growth. I love this Apparapin. You got to check it out, guys. And finally, we'll go ahead and check the pH here. We're going to try to get it down to 5.8. So I'm using Fox Farm pH down. And I got these syringes. I really like this because it's a tiny gauge. So you're not just dumping a ton in there at once. I can't stress enough how important it is to go slowly with this. You don't want to reset it all. And then also while I'm adjusting my pH up or down, I'll let it sit a couple of minutes. This just helps stabilize it, guys. But then after I'm done, once I got it to the final number, I'll let it go ahead and sit 15 to 20 minutes and go ahead and check it again. Sometimes it can be a pain in the butt trickling the pH up or down in, but it's worth it, trust me. We're getting there, 6.0. Just take your time, you'll get there. Last bit of trickle in, a little bit of mix in, and after a few small adjustments, guys, we're right at 5.8. So this is awesome. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Take care, guys.